boy Alex, Audio Tech, coming at you guys with another unboxing. We got another WorryFree gadget speaker, which, like I said, Hope Star sounded better. And I know there's other brands that have the same design of the speaker. This speaker's like, what I would say, because now there's even a brand that's called B&L that has the same design and everything, same exact speaker. So this speaker is kind of like, you know, when you buy soap from the soap guy that is in bulk and it's his brand, but it doesn't have the branding on the soap, so you can resell it and put your own name on it. That's kind of like what this is. This speaker is, now I know what the other YouTubers, I forgot his name, that he was telling me that this speaker is sold by a whole bunch of different people, and he's right. And that's why we seen the one that I put in the post section. I liked it the way it sounded better when it was like the community post, but now it's called, you know, the post. Okay. But anyway, let's move forward. I put that speaker from, what was it, from Shane? That was like $180, and it's this same one. And it doesn't even have a brand. Like, the person is not even branding the speaker. You know, Hope Star and WorryFree Gadgets is the same thing. I just feel like WorryFree Gadgets sounds corny, and they should have kept the name Hope Star. And they have the Hope Star version of these speakers, and they don't have WorryFree Gadgets. It has a design right here, and it says Hope Star, and it has lights right here instead of just being all black and just lighting up the WorryFree Gadgets. That's one thing they did change on this speaker. So, you know, I guess some of them got little changes. Like, this one is all black with the little coloration right here. The other one is lights up the whole passive radiator, not like this one. And then there's other ones that are just all black. So it just, I guess it's still the same speaker. It's just different bulks of it, okay? But anyway, let's get this open. You guys already know it's waterproof. It's IPX6 waterproof, Bluetooth 5.3, micro SD card slot, USB slot, and you can pair two speakers. So basically, this is the WorryFree Gadgets WH61. It says best bass or boost. Yeah, boost, the best bass boost wireless speaker. And then this is the front of it. Of course, they always show the black one. I don't know if this is the camel one that I'm unboxing today, because I bought all three, or the black one, but we're about to find out together. So it says WorryFree Gadgets, 50 watts total power output, wireless loudspeaker, 6 hours of battery life, waterproof, and it says something about the speakers right here. It says 2 full range, 1/9mm drivers, and passive radiator. Okay, so that's what's up. I think for the next version, they should come out with a version that has tweeters in it. Seriously. So now I gotta pull out my trusty unboxing knife, because rip this off right here. Over here, see, it makes it a lot easier to open the speaker. I like the blue one. I put it up though, because blue gets dirty too fast. Okay, so this is the camel one. So they don't have a display for the camel on the box. As you guys can see, this is the camel one. What does it come in the box with? It comes with, of course, the usual user guide. You don't need that. It comes with the aux cable for you people that love the aux cable. I don't really care for it, because I don't really hook up these speakers to my TV or anything like that. But for you guys that want to hook it up to your computer and stuff, that's a great option. And then it has the USB Type A to Type C to charge other devices. For 6 hours of battery life, I wouldn't charge anything unless it's an emergency, to be completely honest with you guys. If it's an emergency and you really need to charge up your phone or something, then I would say use this speaker as a power bank. But other than that, no. So we're starting off with the back. So let me bring the camera down a little bit more, adjust it. There we go, perfect. We got the back of it. I like how it's titled aux, FT card, USB, and Type C to charge the speaker. Oh, shoot. and I just pulled it off the wrong way. But anyway, this is easy to put back in. So I just did a blooper. I just definitely did a blooper. And let me see how I can squeeze this knot thing that's supposed to go back in here, because I forgot. Oh my God, guys. So anyway, don't do what I did. You pull it from this way. I pulled it from the bottom, and that's why I pulled it out. But that's easy because you see it has this little stomp thing. It didn't break, so I could put it back on. So anyway, we got USB Type-C to charge the speaker. We got USB Type-A to reverse charge. We got the FD card, and we got the aux cable right there. And then I don't know what this little pin for. They usually up here is usually for resetting the speaker. But we're going to consider this a blooper because I was being a complete idiot. I was being brolic with the speaker. So, you know, I'm the one who did this. It didn't come like this. And you know what? Let's just keep with the unboxing. I'll do this later. I'll mess with this thing later. Because this is going to take valuable time to put this back in here. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'll do that later. We're going to consider that a blooper, guys. So anyway, love the front of it. Love the camo. Love the way it looks. The green, you know, with the camouflage. So let's see if it has some power. Yes, it does. And I love the lights going around it too. So let's hook it up to my favorite phone, my iPhone 15 Pro. Let's look for the name under Bluetooth and see what Bluetooth name it gives us. Okay. Okay. It hasn't picked it up yet. It's not get. Oh, here we go. It says WorryFree WH61. So that's what it's gonna appear under. There we go. Now we're gonna go to, you already know, non-copyrighted music, baby. Copyright free music. Here we go. And of course I have YouTube Premium, so that's why you never hear ads while I'm playing the music. Just to let you guys know. So here we go. One of my favorite songs.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
Let me turn off the lights. Here we go. The up button, down button, power button. I don't know what this for. This is to sync it with another speaker, play, and the light show. Change the light.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
But I'm gonna turn them off because I don't know how much charge this battery has. I received this speaker over a week ago, so we're gonna turn off the light. Turn it all the way up, baby.
Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Let's go to the next one of the new ones from him. We're gonna see right here. See, copyright free YouTube. Yeah, so it sounded kind of a little bit muffled there. I can hear it. I love this coloration, yo. I'm serious. When I ordered the first one, I didn't unbox it because it wouldn't turn on. It would not turn on for nothing in the world. So I'm glad this one works great. It's working great, 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 great. I want to fix this because it's really getting on my nerves, guys, and I'm so sorry about this. But I really do want to fix this. I really do, really, really, really want to do. Because I get annoyed fast. I really do get annoyed fast. And it's really annoying me that I actually, acted brolic and I pulled this out. So anyway, yeah, forget it. I tried to. I'll try again when the video's over. Sorry, guys. Oh, man. But the colors look nice. Don't do what I did. Don't pull it too hard in the bottom because you will pull off this rubber stamp that makes it waterproof. Without this, your speaker's exposed and it's not waterproof, basically. You ruin the speaker if it gets close to water and the rain drizzling or whatever because the thing is not there. So anyway, let's get this going. The next speaker that I'm going to be unboxing is the black one. Today is Friday, so Saturday, Sunday, I'll do that one on Sunday. I'll do the unboxing of that one on Sunday. So anyway, let's go to the next song. Let's go to the next song. sorry to interrupt the video. I don't want to edit it. My daughter was calling me, so let me call her back real quick. 1 second, guys. Take this off the speaker. But it's good that you could talk even through the speaker. You heard it ringing through the speaker. Now she's not answering the phone. I don't know. I guess she called me by mistake. So let's keep going with the music. If it's something important, she'll call me back. Do 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 do.
Maybe I'm an alien. Must be something heaven sent. Payback for the love I spent. Oh my, this time I'ma keep it going. Stay fucked up, feel so good. High on my, the sky underneath my feet. It never looked so good. Oh my, that's right. I'ma keep it up, stay fucked up, that's my mood. Oh my euphoria. Pretty close to heaven now. Moments of euphoria. I am never coming down. Oh my, this time I'ma keep it going. Stay fucked up, feel so good. High on my, the sky underneath my feet. It never looked so good. Oh my, that's right. I'ma keep it up, stay fucked up, that's my mood. Oh my euphoria.
Hello? Yeah, my little love. Your necklace came in. Yeah, it's really cute. It has the J for your name. Because it doesn't have enough storage, my love. Yeah. I know, my love. Gotcha. Yeah. Well, I'll see what I can do for you, okay, my love? All right, baby. So yeah, guys, I wasn't gonna edit the video. I just. So I'm sorry about that quick pause.
Fade in, fade out, always caught up in the sound. You're up, I'm down, I kinda miss having you around. You watched me fall apart, time and time again. Couldn't lose you in the end. But if you call my name, it'll be okay. I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without you. About the good times, wishing we could rewind. I wanna leave it all behind. You watched me fall apart, time and time again. Couldn't lose you in the end. But if you call my name, it'll be okay. I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without you. The sound of my heartbeat now. I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without you.
So it sounds really good, guys. You would expect for the passive radiators to project more bass due to the fact by the build quality is good. But of course, you know, I don't know. It projects more bass on non-copyrighted music than it does on copyrighted music. It doesn't have a bass button. The affiliate link to this speaker from Amazon will be provided pinned down in the comment section down below. It helps support the channel and get more products for me to review and also unbox for you guys. So if you want to help out the channel, click on that affiliate link and buy the speaker from my affiliate link. It helps out a lot. Okay, let's go to the next song. don't discriminate. These speakers sub under $100. Now, if this would have been $100 or more, then I would have been really critical about the way it sounds in certain music and all that. But when you're paying $59, you know, you can't really ask for too much. I see a lot of people that be complaining on Amazon when they buy something that's like $20 and they expect it to sound like something that costs 130. You know, you can't expect this speaker that's $60 on Amazon, which is a great price. On TikTok Shop is 100, not worth 100. You can't really compare how you call that, WorryFree gadgets to like JBL or Soundcore, you know, or anyone, you know, Zealot, that they make their own speakers. You get what I'm saying? They make their own speakers. Their speakers are not sold in bulk. Now the speaker that they use is sold in bulk. You know, like the middle subwoofer for the Soundcore. I seen it on JBL. I done seen it on multiple YouTubers have talked about this. So that's different, you know, multiple manufacturers getting the same subwoofer because it creates great bass. Then that's understandable. But you know, you can't compare it. You know, the Soundcore is $130 speaker, well worth it. The clarity of the music is awesome to me. I don't have no complaints. Soundcore is one of my favorites, you know, speakers, and the Boom 2 is one of my favorite speakers. The Motion Boom regular one, which is gonna be the next one I'm gonna unbox next week. The Motion Boom, because it's still being sold on Amazon for 109 and even on the TikTok Shop, because it's a great little speaker that says 30 watts and it sounds like it has 50 watts or 60 watts. So I will be doing an unboxing of that one. There's WorryFree gadgets. I'm talking about all these speakers because all these speakers are from good brands that have good quality and sound great. You can't compare for something to a speaker that's only $59. $59 is aggressive. B and L that have the same speaker. It's the same exact speaker. It just says B and L. It costs freaking $69.99, which I think is too much. $70 for this speaker. When it only has 6 hours, and you know, and basically other brands have it. It's just not, no. You could price something aggressively when you own it, like Monster. Monster has his own speakers. Soundcore has his own speakers. JBL, Sony, all these other brands, Zealot. I'm gonna be getting the new Tron Smart Bang 2. Tron Smart makes their own speakers too. And I thought it was funny. If you guys go to the post, that's what's not called the community tab no more. It's called the post. If you go to my post section on my channel and on this channel, and you look at it, they copied off the Soundcore Boom 2. It has two tweeters, one on the left, one on the right, and then the big subwoofer in the middle. So I don't mind that. You know, that's all they did copy. Everything else is unique as theirs. So that's what I'm saying. And that one's 130. That one I seen, and it has 90 watts. So that one is trying to compete with the Soundcore Boom 2, the new Tron Smart Bang 2. You know, so that's competing right there. You know, there's two different designs. They might have the same speaker, I mean the same subwoofer and the same tweeters, but it's two different brands and two different design of speaker. You know, the Tron Smart is this type of material, this mesh, and then we know the Soundcore Boom 2 is plastic with metal in the front. So two different designs, you know, two different designs. So yeah, we'll begin that one. Begin that one shortly. That's gonna be my birthday gift. My birthday's in August 11th, so that's gonna, you know, be beginning it next month, hopefully before my birthday. So yeah, guys, I mean, I said I wanted to talk more, you know, and the speaker's great. I love the color of it. You guys heard the sounds, the music, how it sounds. Is a great looking speaker. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, pinned down below in the comment section, you will find the affiliate link from Amazon to buy it. Buy it from Amazon is only $59. If you get it on the TikTok Shop, it's $99. So save yourself some money and get it from Amazon using my affiliate link. It helps out the channel. And thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys. I'll keep pushing out this content for you guys every 3 days. And I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. You all ready? And thank you for watching. Take care. God bless and be safe.